Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Card, which is a simple yet powerful website builder for creating one-page websites. But before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore Card and start building your own websites today. So first of all, we need to understand what is Card and how is it different than the other website builders out there. So Card is a lightweight, user-friendly website builder that is designed for single-page websites, making it perfect for personal profile, portfolios, landing pages, and small businesses websites. So it is known for its affordable pricing and easy to use drag and drop editor. Now there are some of the things that I like about this platform. The first thing is that it is very super simple and very fast. So since it is lightweight, it is very fast, and the interface is also very simple. It requires no coding. You just have to simply drag and drop the elements and the layouts here and there, and you can build your favorite website. The pricing is also quite affordable here. You get the free plan as well, and there are some of the paid plans, so you can just choose the plans as per your need. You will also get the mobile optimization, so all of the websites look very great and it works beautifully on desktop and mobile. You can integrate your custom domains with it, and you can also integrate various other things with it as well. So since it is free, there are some of the limitations of this particular website builder. Like it is limited to one page websites, which is not ideal if you want to create multi-page websites. But if you are looking for the one-page websites, in my opinion, Card website builder is great. So if you need a beautiful, responsive, and hassle-free website, Card is one of the best options in my opinion that is available in the website builder space. So whether you are building a personal websites or a professional landing page or a portfolio, Card makes it quick, easy, and affordable. So again, if you want to check it out, you can just use the link that is given down in the description, and you will also save some money if you use that link. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.